Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on Dell Rugged. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start and open Settings. Then find Time and a Language, go for Date and Time. Inside we can either turn on and off set time automatically. If it's off, that means you can adjust your date and time manually. If it's on, then you won't be able to do it. Then there's set time zone automatically that you can enable or disable also. And show time and date in a system tray that you can enable or disable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.